How to restart wireless router on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Kudi application. I'm using this app because Kudi is my router brand. You can use the app specific to your own router. The application is used to manage and configure your Wi-Fi router, mesh Wi-Fi systems, and range extenders from a mobile device. Users can set up new devices, check network status, manage network settings like Wi-Fi and parental controls, and update device firmware. You're now in the dashboard page where you can view the router. Tap on any router from here. You can view and manage all the router settings from here. Scroll down to the end and tap on More. In the Settings page, tap on Reboot. Tap on OK to confirm. Following these steps, you can easily restart wireless router on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.